how you can change your name on Facebook Messenger. If you want to edit your name or change your name, you're on the right place. First thing that you want to do is make sure that your Messenger is up to date and then open the application. And from here, just tap on the hamburger menu at the top left and on the gear icon to open the settings. Once you're on your settings, scroll all the way down until you see your account center. So tap on see more in account center. It will take you to the Meta account center. Now from here you want to tap on your profiles. So all of your connected profiles will be shown right here, your Facebook, Instagram, or if you have multiple accounts, it will be right here. And if you want to change your name, since Facebook is connected with Messenger, you want to tap on Facebook. And here you will see an option for name. And you can easily change your name right here. So I'm going to add a middle name like this. So if I do this and review change, it will suggest me my names, so the possible names. If you want to have your last name in front, you can do this. Or if you want to have a normal one, you can select this one and change. But you have to note that you won't be able to change your name within the next 60 days. So if you want to change again, you will have to wait 60 days. So be careful about that. After you've confirmed your name, tap on Save Changes. And as you can see, your name now has been changed. Now if you go back to Messenger right here and refresh your app, you should be able to see the change in your name.